Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you can run containers, install Docker Desktop or Engine and confirm Docker version. Next, create a Docker Hub account, enable two-factor authentication, and push one simple image. Once done, fork a containerized sample repo on GitHub and clone it locally. Make a tiny change and build the image. This shows continuous integration readiness. Make sure to document commands in README so reviewers can reproduce your steps and see your workflow immediately. You now focus on sustained, visible contributions. Write clean Docker files, publish 3 well-documented images with automated builds, and link examples to CI pipelines. Once these are live, submit pull requests to official and community projects. Aim for meaningful fixes and enhancements. Make sure to explain design choices in PR descriptions and respond to feedback promptly. Simultaneously, build presence, help in forums, present at meetups, and mentor new contributors so your technical impact and community leadership align. You prepare a concise application. Assemble portfolio links, contribution metrics, and testimonials, then submit with clear examples of leadership. Once submitted, maintain activity, keep responding to issues and publishing demos. If reviewers ask questions, provide reproducible steps and updated artifacts quickly. This demonstrates reliability. Troubleshooting tip: if your application stalls, audit your public repos for stale CI or failing builds. Fix them and notify reviewers. Showing responsiveness often resolves perceived gaps and moves the process forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.